Hi friends and welcome to Gizbot. I'm Sharmi and today with me I have the Oppo F21 Pro smartphone. This is the 4G variant of the series and packs some powerful features. For one, Oppo has introduced a new rear back design for the smartphone as well as an upgraded selfie camera. Here's the unboxing and the first impressions of the device. So let's start off with the unboxing of the Oppo F21 Pro. So as you can see, I have the box with me and Oppo has given us two boxes, one an external one and the other internal one with the Oppo branding evidently visible. So opening the box, the first thing that you can see is the quick guide and other instruction manual for the Oppo F21 Pro. So opening this, I can see the brand has sent us the SIM card ejector tool. You also have the quick setup guide over here, as well as the other safety instructions for the smartphone. And more importantly, you get the back panel protector with the phone. Next, we have the phone itself here. So I have with me the Oppo F21 Pro, and as I mentioned earlier, this is the 4G device. So with me, I have the sunset orange color variant. The rear panel is pretty unique. It features a leathery texture to it. I'll be talking more about the phone in detail later. Next up, we also have the adapter and the charging cable with the Oppo F21 Pro. So Oppo has sent us the 33 watt Super Whoop fast charging adapter with the box. You also get the Type-C cable for charging. One of the key highlights of the Oppo F21 Pro is the camera setup. So here you can see at the rear, Oppo has included a triple camera setup with two major sensors as well as a smaller sensor. But the other main feature is the selfie camera. So over here, Oppo has included an ultra sensing selfie camera in the front in this punch hole cutout. And I've been using the phone for a couple of days and I figured the selfie camera is very powerful. So it gives you really crisp, clear and evenly exposed photos. Additionally, the rear camera comes with several features like portrait and along with other features, but the main thing here is the 2MP micro lens. So this microscopic lens here kind of zooms into whatever object you have in place. So this is a very unique feature to the Oppo F21 Pro, and it can take some really powerful photos and gives it a very unique look and feel to it. And I also clicked a few photos using the microscopic sensor, and I must say it is pretty impressive. One of the other unique features of the Oppo F21 Pro is the rear panel. So over here, the rear design on the Oppo F21 Pro comes with the sunset orange variant that I've been reviewing over here. And it's kind of bright, that makes a pretty bold style statement. You get a leathery texture with the smartphone, which kind of makes it ideal for rough and tough use, doesn't scratch easily. So even if you're a very person who kind of drops your phone often, this should not be a problem. As well as the other feature on the Oppo F21 Pro is the unique sensors placed at the camera, which kind of glows when you get notifications. So this is another unique addition to the Oppo F21 Pro. Let's also take a look at what the Oppo F21 Pro has to offer under the hood. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a 4G phone and the smartphone draws power from the Snapdragon 680 chipset. It comes with virtual RAM expansion, so users can expand the RAM for heavy apps like gaming and so on. And as you can expect, it runs ColorOS, which is the Oppo standard software for all its Android devices. You also get a 4500 mAh battery with the Oppo F21 Pro, and Oppo has also included a 33 watt Super Whoop fast charging adapter with the box. So as you can see, Oppo has brought in a lot of advanced technologies to its camera on the Oppo F21 Pro 4G. Yes, it misses out 5G, but it also packs much more advanced features. So here's a detailed review of the Oppo F21 Pro at gizbot.com. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.